welcome. I'm Candace. Thank you so much for hanging out with me today. On this video, we're going to be unboxing my February 2021 Boxycharm base box. I am so excited to be hanging out with you guys today because first of all, it's Boxycharm Day. Second of all, it's my birthday, so yeah, that's a 2-for-1 deal. If you guys are new here, please go ahead and hit that subscribe button and notification bell. And if you guys are not new here, welcome back. I am so glad you're here today. So first thing I'm going to show you guys is the card. This is the cute theme card for Boxycharm, X's and O's, and very Valentine's-y. I love it. So my variation is C210. 2006-BA, and my box weighed 1 pound 1.5 ounces, so that is a pretty good size box. I can't wait to show you guys what I got. First things first, I got a Wander Beauty palette. So this is a getaway eye and face palette. It has eyeshadows, it has a highlighter, it has a blush. So this is all-in-one palette. I am going to go ahead and swatch a couple of these. I did try some earlier and they are super pigmented. I had it all over everything, so I want to just show you guys. I'm going to go lightly. They're gorgeous. They're very similar in color shades, but they actually have their differences where you can totally go ahead and build whole bunch of different looks. Even though they look super similar, they are definitely their own shade. So don't get too thrown off like that's an identical palette. They are really similar, but they also can build. So it's actually really fun palette, and I'm glad I chose that. This values at $36. So right here, I already paid for my Boxycharm. So that's what I like. I like a big value box, so I am pretty excited about this box. Next thing I'm going to show you guys is a 2-in-1, actually a 3-in-1 mascara, curler, eyelash curler, and an eye pencil. So it's all in one. So you get a eyelash curler right on the top of the handle of the mascara. So that's super cool. And this is in black, and I like how this wand is. I like that. So it is a huge mascara, super big, but it is 2-in-1. And then it came with its own little eyeliner. Black. And then on the bottom end, you get a smudger. So I like it when it has the smudger, not the eye sharpener pencil. So pretty excited about this. So this duo from Tristique is a value of $44. So I told you guys, a lot of good stuff in this box. The next thing I have is from Tula Skincare. And this is a poreless, deep exfoliating blackhead scrub. So it goes in and helps to tighten your pores and clean out any dirty pores that have blackheads. So this is gonna be hopefully revolutionary for my skin because I have open pores on my cheeks and my nose is not too good with blackheads. So this has ingredients like pink salt, volcanic acid, and witch hazel, and it helps to really get in and clean out those dirty pores. So I will definitely be using this. It is a pretty cool consistency. It's like a gel, but it also has a lot of microbeads that feel to be probably that volcanic sand. It's like a dark sand that's in there, so it is going to go in definitely and clear out the skin. So really excited to try this. I probably won't use it every day, but maybe every other day. So that will be pretty cool. Another thing I got in my box is this right here, and it is super fun with the Valentine's theme. It has little hearts that are submerged into this. This is from NCLA Los Angeles, and it is a cuticle oil. So this is So Rich Love Potion, and it smells like rose. I did sniff this one earlier, and It's perfect for the cuticles, especially for the winter weather. You guys, my skin and my cuticles like really suffer. So I am happy to have this. I'll probably put this right by my bedside so that I can remember to actually use cuticle oil every single evening, because I'm telling you, I am like always reaching for lotion because there's not enough hydration at this time of year for my skin. So this is super cute, and you can never have enough cuticle oil. I can never have enough cuticle oil. Maybe you can. I can't. Oh, that value was $18. $18. The last thing in my box, save the best for last, right, is this cute brush set. So it is an eye brush set of 4. And I really like these 2 middle ones that I have here because they're nice and puffy and poofy and just really good eye brushes that I can see myself using all the time. But look at how adorable the handles are. They have hearts that float around, so that is perfect for Valentine's Day. So much fun. My daughter's gonna wanna take these and use them for her paint projects, but I'm gonna be like, no, they are mine. And this is from Glamoury. I do not think I will be using this case because it's just super cheapy and plasticky, and I would probably rather put my brushes somewhere else. But it's nice that they had a protective case, and I'll figure out what to do with that later. But this brush set is a $29.95 value. So $29.95 for this 4-piece brush set. So all of my items, so we had mascara, eyeliner, the brush, the eyeshadow, and face palette, also the cuticle oil, and the Tula pore cleanser. This value right here was $159.95, and I paid like $24 for my Boxycharm. So fun, so awesome. I love getting a high value like that. $159 for this box is incredible. I'm super excited, and what a fun way to add a little bit more like bonus joy to my birthday. So I'm just really excited to be able to share what I got with you guys. I hope you guys had fun watching, and as always, thank you guys. I had a blast. I hope you did too, and until we meet again, ciao Bella!